Hello, today's PSYPACT Frequently Asked Friday is, how do I update or change my home state? Before we begin the tutorial for updating your declared home state, let's discuss which states may be declared as your home state. Your declared home state can be any PSYPACT participating state you hold a full unrestricted license to practice psychology based off a doctoral level degree in, and it must be the state that you will be physically located in while providing telepsychology under the authority of the PSYPACT Commission. It's also important to note that you may only declare one home state at a time. So it's important to remember when you physically relocate between states that you hold licenses in that you do need to update your declared home state. Please refrain from updating your home state for future dates, as this changes your declared home state on the verification site immediately, even if you've entered a future date. It's really important that we remember to do this as we're physically in the state that we would like to change our home state to, instead of doing it ahead of time for this reason. Okay. Let's begin our tutorial by signing in to our cypro.org account. As you can see, I'm already in the cypro.org account. I'm going to click on the home button here on the left-hand side of the screen, and I'm going to look for the My Application History. Under that, we're going to look for Authority to Practice Interjurisdictional Telepsychology 8-Bit. Here we're going to navigate over to the big blue Home State Declaration button. Inside the Home State Declaration, we're going to be sure to read over the acknowledgement and click on the little check mark box to acknowledge that we have read over the acknowledgement. From there, we're going to go down to the start date. We're going to select today's date, and we're going to select the PSYPACT participating state that we are physically going to be in today and we are going to practice from. And it must be a state that, as you may remember, you hold a full unrestricted license based off a doctoral level psychology degree. So we're going to pretend like today is October 31st, and we're going to select District of Columbia. Once we have entered today's date in the home state, we will click the big blue Add button. After we have done that, we can verify that our home state was in fact changed by looking here in the left bottom corner at the historical log, and as you can see, it states that our home state was changed to District of Columbia on 10/31/2024. Should you have any questions regarding how to update your home state, or if you have any questions about anything that we went over in this video today, please feel free to reach out to us. You can do so by emailing us at info@psypact.org. Thank you.